I identify with the ancient world, even though I live in the modern world. This is my anchor to that. So there's always an element of me that, again, is here, but it's also connected to all of my other ancestors, whether they be Cherokee, whether they be Ananuias, because the Ananuias used to wear turbans. The Ananuias used to wear turbans. The Ojibwe used to wear turbans. The Mecca Indians used to wear turbans. There was a clan of so-called Cherokees called the Moors. They wore turbans.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay.
Play with something safe, man. Don't play with me.